Oh my God.
Stay far back enough, babe.
Yeah, send me pictures of it.
I'm not taking pictures. You take pictures. I'm just taking a video.
Wow. They're on their boat over there, I think. There's a water patrol.
The safety people's telling people to get away.
Shut it off. Oh, that's good. Why are they going here? It's gonna blow.
Michael said that a boat or a car won't blow up unless they said they only do that in the movies.
Oh. I've seen it blow up on the highway. I watched it blow up from all the gas.
Mom, Michael's been on tons of car fires.
Oh.
$10 says it was started with a freaking cigarette.
Wow. They're all aboard the ship. I saw everybody jumping off.
Yeah, I saw the people jump off too.
Well, can we put these away?
No, yeah, I'm gonna zoom in. I just want to follow.
Can I zoom in on a video?